You guys, I've reached another level of adulthood and I've decided to host Thanksgiving dinner. This is either going to be a major fail or super successful, and I have no idea how it's going to turn out. I've been watching YouTube videos since the day I invited people over, and I'm kind of like, what did I get myself into? But at the same time, I'm feeling good about it. Like, what could actually go wrong? I just gotta cook. My counter's a mess with all of my Thanksgiving ingredients and things that I need. I've separated from like my normal groceries so that everything's nice and organized. But I have water boiling right now, and I'm about to start working on my potato salad. I'm gonna be using the whole 5-pound bags of potatoes. I don't really know if it's gonna be too much or what. I think that's one of the things I'm struggling with the most, is like, how much food do I actually need for 10 to 15 people? Like, I have no idea. To the hot potatoes, I'm gonna add mayo and mustard. It is Thanksgiving Day. I never showed you guys, but we ended up getting a dining room table. Obviously, we needed a table if we wanted to host people, but we got a dining room table, and I love the way that came out. And yeah, I kind of stopped the camera immediately as soon as I started feeling stressed about everything I was doing. Look at my Thanksgiving spread. I'm so proud of myself, actually. A ham, a little honey glazed brown sugar pineapple everything ham. We got baked mac and cheese. We got arroz con gandules. We got a turkey roulade, bougie or whatever. No, I'm just kidding. I just literally trying to figure out how to do a whole turkey seemed very overwhelming, so I decided to do like a little turkey roulade with cornbread chorizo stuffing in the inside. And then you guys saw I made my potato salad, which came out really good, and my mom made this cornbread stuffing. My sister just brought some desserts. My mom also brought more desserts, so we're about to start eating right now. He got it from the closet.
Literally got it, and he threw diapers in it.
And I help cut the mac and cheese like this.
Okay.
Yeah, you come.
DJ.
help?
Thank you. Look at my hair. It looks like I have a wig on because it's so stiff. Would you believe me if I told you it has literally been over 3 weeks? Or actually, this would be exactly 3 weeks since I washed my hair. I got my hair done the other day. I actually went back to Virginia to go get my hair done. I did a little collab with a hair salon called Dancy Hair Spa. I don't know if you guys saw my Instagram reel. I also posted it on TikTok, and I think I posted it on YouTube as well. So anyway, I did a collab with a hair salon, which was super cool. Like, one of the coolest experiences I've ever had as like a creator. And my hair is literally still straight since then because I am so lazy, and I'm kind of regretting that right now because I'm actually getting ready to go take a passport photo, and it's like Sunday at 2 p.m. super last minute. I need to be there by before 4. But yeah, this is so random, but we were like, we should go somewhere for our anniversary, which is in January, like our wedding anniversary. Not even wedding, because there was no wedding. Our marriage anniversary is in January, so we were like, we really want to take a trip. It'll be the first time we can take a trip without our son. We still have not gone anywhere without him, and he's already 2. So I'm really wanting, like, I feel like I'm at a point where I'm like ready to let him go, you know. And I did do my own little solo trip when I went to Florida a few months back, but my son stayed with his dad, so like it wasn't, I don't know, it didn't feel like I was like leaving him behind. But now that me and my husband want to go somewhere together, we're gonna leave him with family, it's like, dang, we're really gonna leave him behind. But anyway, we want to go on a trip, and then I realized my passport literally expires in March, and most countries aren't gonna let you in unless you have like 6 months, at least 6 months left on your passport. And by the time January comes, I will only have 2 months left, like February, March it expires. So I'm afraid that I wouldn't be able to really enter a lot of countries. I don't know how strict that rule is, but I don't want to chance it and like buy a ticket and buy hotels and stuff, and then I fly and they don't let me in. So I'm literally rushing right now because I want to submit my passport renewal application today. It says it takes 4 to 6 weeks to process, 4 to 6 weeks to process. And yeah, I literally have like 5 weeks until we want to go on this trip. I'm just doing really quick makeup. Hopefully it doesn't look crazy on the photo. But I also kind of wanted to talk to you guys about how Thanksgiving went, because I ended up not, my hair is crazy, I ended up not vlogging as much as I thought I would. Like I thought I would have a full Thanksgiving vlog, but literally what you guys saw in the beginning of this video is all that I had recorded, which is fine because I was really just, you know, enjoying the moment, and it was my first time hosting, so I was just trying to make sure everything went smoothly. And low-key it is super stressful to host, so I kept turning the camera off and just trying to like focus on what needed to be done. But it ended up turning out really good, and I'm so happy that I did it. I don't know if I even want to do Christmas, to be honest. I think somebody else is gonna have to do that. But yeah, my family came over, less people than I had expected, which is fine, and honestly better for me because it's less stress. But it went really good. This is the final look. Can never go wrong with the slick back. A slick back, and that's really all I could do with my hair being as greasy as it is. All I'm thinking about is the fact that whatever picture I take right now is what is going to be on my passport for the next 10 years, which means this is the picture that I will be seeing every time I decide to use it until I'm 40, which is crazy. This is the best I got. Maybe let's go to CVS. I just got done in CVS, and you ever take a photo of yourself and you just like realize, wow, I'm actually getting old. Like you start to see your smile lines and you're like, wow, like I'm really aging. I still think it came out pretty cute, and honestly the quality of the photo itself I feel like is pretty crappy. But here's my photo. I got these 2 physical photos, and I got a digital download because I'm applying for my renewal online. Why was it $23? I could have taken them myself, but I didn't want to risk it not being like a good photo. And the good thing about coming to CVS is it actually verifies that it is a good photo and that it's good enough to use for your passport, so it gives you more peace of mind, you know. But I'm about to go home and literally submit my application right now.